Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our new playlist which is based on the RASA. So RASA is the open source platform where one can create a chatbots or AI assistant, voice based assistants, etc. So before proceed further, let's start with the documentation part of this RASA's platform. So let's click on the RASA platform docs. So here we can see the two sections, that is RASA and the RASA X Enterprises. So RASA is the open source and free to use, and with extra feature and extra charges we have to use RASA Enterprises. So in this video we are going to use only the RASA open source platform. So click on it and let's get started. So we will start with the installation part directly. So we are going to use Windows machine, and for the IDE we will use Visual Studio Code. So first we will create the virtual environment with the help of this command. So we just copy it and just go in your Visual Studio Code and just create open a terminal and enter this command, that is python 3 -m, and click enter. Okay, so it will take a little bit time to create virtual environment. After successfully created environment we can work on it. It is now successfully created the virtual environment. So we will create a sample project, or we can directly create a sample. So first, before we create a sample project, we have to set this environment for this folder as activate for all time. So just click on the Control Shift and P and select the interpreter. So we will going to select this environment and we will open the new terminal. So our environment will get directly activated. Okay, so now we will create a sample folder where we will create one sample project. So create a one sample folder outside this virtual environment. So this is the sample folder where we have to create our new project. So go in the sample directory. So now here we will start our RASA's new project. So after installation of RASA's, we will start with the, you can go through the documentation to implementation. So first directly we will start with the RASA's new project. So type a command RASA init. So it will, so before that we have to install the RASA in our virtual environment. So to install it, just simple command pip install RASA. So it will take a little bit about our time, approximately 10 to 15 minutes depending on your internet speed. So now our RASA is successfully installed in our virtual environment. So we will create one sample project. So the simple command is here is that you have to enter RASA init. So it will create a RASA project for you, the starting files and other required files in that particular folder. So you can use like other things as well, this one. So you can directly clone the GitHub repository and you can use from the source as well, saying that please enter a path where project would like to. So we will say that current default is okay, so just enter it. So do you want to train an initial model? Okay, so we'll start with the training the initial model. Yeah, so it will train the initial model. It will also take a little bit time of approximately 5 minutes. Yeah, so our model is got trained. So it is taking that, do you want to speak to the train assistant or not? So we will say that yes. So we will try how our model is working. So it will start the server on 5005. Okay, so our trained model is started. So we will start with the simple message, say hi. So what will understand that we have responded hi. So he is responding that, hey, how are you? So we will say that I am fine. So what he says, okay, great, carry on. So let's say I said I am not fine. What will we say? Here is the image, something that cheer up. So he is like, there are two paths that they are saying that if it is I am happy, then it will say great, carry on. If it is not happy, then he will say that okay, just go for the image. So we will see what is the image content. Okay, so this is the image that they have shown. So just cheer up guys, that was the image, and that's all about in a first video. We will going to discuss all these files that created here, that is action, then data, then models, test, etc. In our next video. Till then, have a great day. Thank you.